Hello, in this video I will show you how to make coffee style edit. Coffee style means a warm image. The dominant color will be brown and other colors will be suppressed. In other words, I need to reduce color variability by making the image warm. You already know how to do this. I'm going to greatly increase color temperature. For example, like this. Tint can also be increased a little. Here's what happened. Saturation of warm shades has increased. I will reduce saturation of whole image to balance the colors. How can I further reduce the number of colors in the photo? I'm going to use Channel Mixer. Variability has decreased even more. The photo has become even warmer. Now I will increase the saturation in the shadows and decrease it in the highlights. And here is the final touch. I will reduce the brightness of highly saturated colors using Luminance saturation curve. That's what happened. Here is the photo before, here is after. Warm coffee edit is done. I'll load a couple more shots from the series. Here's before, here's after. And one more shot. Before, after. How can I refine this edit? I'm going to reduce the effect of LUT on the bright areas of the image using Luminance mask. Here's my photo without a mask. Here it is with a mask. Here is the original. This edit looks softer. Let's see how it works in other photos. Here is a photo without a mask, with a mask, and the original. And the last photo. Here is the image without a mask, with a mask, and here is the original. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye everyone.